Fèisgoil is a service offered through Fèisgoil and Gael on 5 different levels, and it's a cost-effective, straightforward, very easy for the organisation or the local authority to take this on board because we basically deliver it for them. We make a big aim is that we help them deliver their Gaelic language plan through either going into schools and teaching Gaelic as a language, and by doing that we also teach the staff at the same time as the children, or by doing CPD where we actually go in and help music teachers embrace traditional music. We also have community days where we can go in and bring Gaelic arts and culture to that community. We have a Minivage Day where again we go into secondary schools and we showcase Gaelic culture, including drama, music, song, dance. And finally, Gaelic awareness training to give organisations and local authorities the opportunity to have somebody who is well researched in the subject of Gaelic within that specific area and actually show them how relevant it is to where they live and what they do.
Wel, ha mis a hyf Fèisgoil, ha mis idir bhí tiecasc an na trí scoiltin, tá bhís daí cháine, agus ha mi idir bhí tiecasc imigúis idir príomh huns, príomh seach. Ha Fèisgoil iad coram horst gan a chlána sinnach a bhí ciúnsach na Gaelic, agus a bhí ciúnsach apostan cúteach. Sa bharach idir sinnach ha mi idir bhí as ciún ha sesiónin léisachaí do luch tiecas cúteach. Ha gyn sig gaif yn y Gaelic agus y gyn sych apostin gyma ffeim a lehydd fi tiecas gaif agus cwtiach gydach o'r ein Gaelic ys rydyn nhw siarad.
Picking up all the skills from Linda means that you can deliver lots of different types of lessons through these skills as well. So it's not just the Gaelic that has been good for us, it's learning the whole language, I would say.
Meeting is Misha Holly.
But they're having lots of fun. It's helping their listening skills. It's giving them the chance to speak out in class. And some of the children, they're not having to write anything down. And some of the children who find writing a bit harder are blossoming because it's all oral. And it's fun. And it's all active. And that's how children learn, through they think they're playing. They really look forward to it.
Pe mis fiach in die gach session yen of sport als suringo ha be me klech ge tor a adis biat a kleintje na hapersten stoge gan a 3 horsens biat gara dastum bishin yen tor je fer yemen in noorsan bishin yen shens bishin yen oren ha mis smir wel oren 4 va e de vi ha tidig get a be gurige gno vi njerstige gedoya se lat kims gerot ken ja mis mnie gele kutremach.
It's easier to learn a language like a game, and if it's not very fun to learn something, then you don't take in as much as what you actually are meant to take in.
I didn't really know what Gaelic was, but I was from this place called Inverness where some people do speak Gaelic or know Gaelic. So that really encouraged me to speak more in Gaelic.
Ha bonach gen mór tíine ma ha Fèisgoil, hat go mam nochtje fiús tibestay háne seo ha mi feichgin ha gewil a chláun idir vi giúnsach me yin ha echtri na Gaelic gehinne alle seo. Tar smuinje chuch gewil Gaelic dioch idir bdien hoes na hele in nier mar gebeeg. A hat idir giúnsach me yin jefer enne manatje agus idir giúnsach go Gaelic idir bdien hies agus a bosse seo agus ha sinnach it barach ha mis me go galúntas an kutje.